Hey, here we are again, finishing up another great week. This has to be one of our 427 Cobra engines, Windsor block style. This happens to be a dark block with a full forge rotating assembly, nice hydraulic roller, AFR heads, Cobra valve covers, Canton oil pan, Concept 1. You seen us run one about a week or so ago. This gentleman buys a lot of engines from me. I love building them. This one we only thing different was we made a black water pump. So the engine's all black with a black water pump. The other one we left natural aluminum. Hey man, if you're looking for quality engines, Performance Unlimited, we are the best out there, man. Check us out. Go through the website. We've got thousands of videos and hundreds of engines you can look at, videos, what have you. You got an idea? We'll put it together, man. Peace and God bless. Thank you. 427 Windsor EFI. Right on the money.
684,
yeah, that's what we said. We thought
614
What a gorgeous motor.